my goodness. Blocked by the tree. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. No, there's gonna be more ducks. Pretty sure there's gonna be more ducks.
Mother Nature right there.
Holy cow. Jesus. What is happening?
Got its head in its mouth?
Oh, he's holding it. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah, that's what I do too, motherfucker. Damn truckers.
Look at him, he's swimming like crazy now. You gotta go swim that one off.
Oh.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing.
Yeah, I'd be pissed too. I'd be mad too. Yeah, yeah.
Trying to dunk him.
But that's not even the same one, is it? It's the other one. Well, now she's probably gonna go after her.